for keeping up with the Joneses. My life is my TV, and I lay my head dead on this stony pillow of roses. Can't make my body clean. My brand new easy chair, black G-string underwear, oversized baggy shorts look really queer. A vacuum cleaner that eats dust in seconds flat, a Bible on the stand that no one reads. And I live my life by keeping up with the Joneses. I laugh at my TV, and I lay my head dead on this funny pillow of roses. Can't get my body clean. And I know Jason's at night, that blue job for my wife. This infomercial will give me a life. My cards all overdrawn, flamingos on the lawn. I'm mowing, I'm up at the crack of dawn. And I live my life by keeping up with the Joneses. My life is my TV, and I lay my head dead on this thorny pillow of roses. Can't make my body clean. And I live my life by keeping up with the Joneses. I'm keeping up with the Joneses. I live my life by keeping up with the. I'm keeping up with the Joneses. I live my life for keeping up with the Joneses. I laugh at my TV, and I lay my head dead on this thorny pillow of roses. Can't get my body clean. And I live my life for keeping up with the Joneses. I'm keeping up with the Joneses. I live my life for keeping up with the. I'm keeping up with the Joneses. Standing by your garden, all alone, no one to talk to. If you beg my pardon, I said I'd really like to get to know you. If you don't have to go, can we just sit here and talk a while? Well, I like making pictures. I like to draw smooth, curvy figures. You'd make quite a picture. You're not too small, you're not too big, but you're really not amused. Can we still sit here and talk a while? What could I say to her as I was mentally undressing her? Did I forget to make mention of my true good intentions? Right. She says she likes seafood. I said I like clams without the bellies. Now I ain't trying to be rude. As she turns her head, I can tell she's really not amused. Can we still sit here and talk a while? What could I say to her as I was mentally undressing her? Did I forget to make mention of my truly good something between them. From the corner of my eye, I see a subtle stirring, like sunbeams through the clouds. As she comes through the trees, I'm the only one who sees the thing red in her hair, and she doesn't seem to care. Open blouse in the breeze, hanging down below her knees. Can't believe what I found, and she doesn't seem to mind. She's laughing, she don't know what to do. She's never seen so much, so beautiful. Now she's spinning, she don't know what to do. She's never seen so much. Now I look a little closer, I feel a little bite, but could I give a damn? All the cubs and all the fathers, attention turns to her, bound by uncommon thread. Cameras ready, cocked and loaded, awaiting nature's prize, the unannouncing winners. Standing up, falling down, flying circles all around, taking off, turn me on, having trouble settling down. Mystical, wonderful, somehow crazy, beautiful, lost control. What is it? Know it now, be a trip. She's running, she don't know what to do. She's never seen so much, so beautiful. Now she's jumping, we don't know what to do. My brother caught a big one. Now she's running. Now she's screaming. Now she's leaving. She don't know what to do. She's never seen so much, so beautiful. Cast a boy into the water, and much to my surprise, returned to me a man. She give your mind a twin, a statue can't resist. Served out on a platter, and Juice's constant shadow. If you're feeling down, if you're feeling crappy, go see Mama Happy. the same job for the last 30 years. Her style never changed. I guess she's timeless. All the good things seem to pass her by. She wonders why she missed the old looking back. Seems foolish how she missed a chance. I think it's gone now. All that's left for her to fight, Miss Lynch. Deep in her mind, she tries to feel what's lost. Her mind strong, a cup of rose and desire. Watching these lovers from a bird's eye view as she's being watched. She's avoided to looking back. Seems foolish how she's bound and gagged by her mistakes now. All that's left for her to fight, Miss Lynch, it ain't in your lipstick case. You like the old-fashioned, but it can't erase. Miss Lynch, the things you were looking for. Your cross was too heavy, not the one you wore. I never knew where it was that she kept her tears. I could hear her laugh. Was she truly happy? Living each day behind her charade. That's the game she played. She missed the old looking back. Seems foolish how she missed a chance. I think it's gone now. All that's left for her to fight. Miss Lynch is no second chance at youth. Your body was right, but forbidden fruit. Miss Lynch, now you second guessed your fear. Your cross grows heavy, not the one you wear. Miss Lynch, it ain't in your lipstick case. You like the old-fashioned, but it can't erase. Miss Lynch, the things you were looking for. The cross was too heavy, not the one you wore. I never knew where it was that she kept her tears. I could hear her laugh. Was she truly happy? fly by night and pay the bills by day, it's easy to believe that your life's okay. Then you're passing by a window, double take and say, who's the person staring in the other way? The window's a mirror, pictures getting clearer. Window's a mirror, window is a mirror, and it's news to me. Man, I'm losing my perspective, getting harder to see. But I gotta keep it moving like a swim upstream. The window is a mirror, and the picture is me. I'm all sad, that's what you say. It's not like I'm doing it every day. Well, answer this question while you're on the go. If you got it for free, then could you say no? The window is a mirror, the picture's getting clearer. The window's a mirror, window is a mirror, and it's news to me. Man, I'm losing my perspective, getting harder to see. But I gotta keep it moving like a swim upstream. The window is a mirror, and the picture is me. When you fly by night and pay the bills by day, it's easy to believe that your life's okay. Then you're smashing all the windows, you close your eyes. Another glass seagull in a thin disguise. The window is a mirror, the picture's getting clearer. The window is a mirror, window is a mirror, and it's news to me. Then I'm losing my perspective, getting harder to see. But I gotta keep it moving like a swim upstream. The window is a mirror, and the picture is me. Window is a mirror, and then I'm losing my perspective again. But I gotta keep it moving like the window is a mirror, and the picture is me. One of these days you'll have to sit down and take a long look at yourself. You've been looking at me with all that you see. Let the ice in your eyes start to melt. There's a burning inside, there's a burning inside. You've been left on your own and nowhere is home. Hungry and naked and cold. You can come down with me. I'm down on my knees in the sand, in your arms, in my soul. There's a burning inside, there's a burning inside you. There's a burning inside, there's a burning, a burning. Take hold of my body, take hold of myself. The touch of desire was all that yourself. You've been looking at me with all that you see. Let the ice in your eyes start to melt. There's a burning inside. There's a burning inside you. There's a burning inside. There's a burning. A burning. Take hold of my body. Take hold of myself. The kiss of desire was all that she felt. Was all that she felt. Queasy in the morning, craving the thirst. Smoke comes rolling in to quench my thirst. Minty fresh blend, liquid lunch. Creed is my best friend, top my Captain Crunch. Juicehead, you'll be better off dead. I can't believe a word that you said. Go crack a greenhead, Juicehead. I'll tell you what, just between you, me, and the wall. I'll keep my mouth shut, let me sleep where I fall. I don't think I should drive with the tape my keys. I'd rather stay alive, would you help me please? Juicehead, you'll be better off dead. I can't believe a word that you said. Go crack a greenhead, Juicehead. I'll do